What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Quincy, and if you don't know, I help you with tips and tricks on social media. Lately, we've been talking about TikTok, and today I'm gonna tell you what happened when I applied for the TikTok Creator Fund. You know, it used to be 200 million, then they upped it to $2 billion. It's the hottest platform right now. So hey, today I'm gonna show you what happened when I applied for the TikTok Creator Fund. It's been in the news, it's been everywhere. You've heard it, $200 million creator fund going out to all the creators, and then they recently updated it to $2 billion fund. So I applied, I'm gonna show you what happened. So I applied for the TikTok Creator Fund August 18th, 2020. If you didn't know, that's when it became available for everyone to apply. And everybody was excited because they couldn't wait to apply because they announced that it was going to be in mid-August. If you're just now joining and you don't even know what the TikTok Creator Fund is, let me tell you. The TikTok Creator Fund was designed to help those who want to earn a livelihood being on TikTok, creating content, doing what they love to do. So this was announced about 4 or 5 months ago, depending on when you're watching this, and everyone was excited about it because what better thing to do than to get paid for making TikToks? So TikTok decided, hey, we're going to go up against YouTube, and now we're going to pay our creators. You probably want to know, so okay, what are the requirements? The requirements are you have to be 18 and you have to have at least 10,000 followers or 10,000 fans, depending on how you look at it, because YouTube has subscribers, Instagram has followers, TikTok had fans, but now they call them followers also. And actually, Samsung, it'll say one thing, and on the Apple iPhone, it'll say one thing. So you tell me, on your Samsung, does it say fans or followers? And on your Apple, does it say fans or followers? Because I have both phones, and sometimes they both say different things. Anyway, and you have to have at least 10,000 views on all your videos total within the past 30 days. Easy, right? I mean, I'm sure you probably have, 10,000 views on one video, right? So I was minding my business, and a friend of mine told me that they're about to get paid. And they said that they applied for the TikTok Creator Fund, and I said, where? I didn't know it was up or available yet. So I instantly applied, and I was automatically accepted. I thought that I was going to apply, and they were going to say, thank you for applying, we'll be in contact with you, we'll reach out to you. Don't call us, we'll call you. That's what I thought was going to happen. But I guess if you've already met the requirements, the system knows, it's all in the mechanics and the mathematical, and it automatically accepted me. And so I was excited. Yeah, I thought they wanted something else, or they were going to view my profile or check it out. So just to let you know, if you haven't already applied, and maybe you're not 18, but you'll be 18 next month, or you'll be 18 next year, keep pushing out that content, keep making positive, inspirational, trending content. So when you are 18 and you have 10,000 views combined out of all your videos, that when you apply, you're automatically accepted. There's no, oh, hey, you have the views, you have the followers, but you're not 18. Or you're 18 and you got the views, but you don't have enough followers, So just keep doing what you do. Don't think that you're not going to get accepted, because they're doing like YouTube. And YouTube, you have to have 1,000 followers and 4,000 watched hours. So they actually upped it. You don't have to have 1,000 subscribers. You have to have 10,000. So they upped that majorly. Now it's not hard to get a lot of followers, but it is. Because I know people who were stuck at 2,000, who were stuck at 3,000, they're stuck at 7,000 followers. They're stuck at, 900 followers. So it is hard if you don't do what you're supposed to do. I mean, it's good lighting, quality content, genuine content, smile, do the trends. It's literally that simple. But, some people get stuck along the way. And so anyway, keep pushing out content, keep making it. Make sure your lighting is good. Make sure your clothes is legit, popping. You don't have to have the nice clothes on, but make sure you're ready for the camera. Come ready. Don't have a bunch of stuff going on in the background. Let's jump to what happened when I was automatically accepted. Let me show you what I see now in my back room, if you will, when I log on to TikTok and go to my Creator Fund account. Alright guys, so I'm in my account and you see this Chick-fil-A customer service be like. So we'll go ahead and hit my me for the home button, 24,000 followers, 6.8 million likes. Let's go ahead and go to the three dots on the top right, and we'll click on Creator right down there toward the middle. And TikTok Creator Marketplace, that's a whole nother thing. I apply for that also, and that's so brands can work with you and you can work with brands. That's that platform. But right below where it says the $ and the circle, that's what we're talking about. TikTok Creator Fund. So you click on it, and right now it shows a balance 0, which is it's supposed to show that because I just signed up yesterday. But if you look at it, Creator Fund Dashboard, Quincy Moreland, total estimated balance. You can click on that I right there, and this is what I want you to see. That I says your balance for each day is calculated 3 days after the day in which the video views were accrued. Your balance for each month can be withdrawn approximately 30 days after the end of that month. So just to clarify and answer your questions, if I make a video, I made a video yesterday, first day, I applied, I got accepted, I made a video yesterday, and because I want to get the ball rolling. So not today, but tomorrow or Saturday at the latest, depending on when I started, if they're going by exact 24 hours. On Saturday, I should see something in there. I don't know if it's 5 cents, 10 cents, $2, $20, $30. 3 days after I made that video, assuming that that video is getting thousands of views and likes, which it is trending right now, and I'll probably come back and make a video about that. And then, of course, if they're starting on the 1st and on the 30th of each month or the 31st, whatever happens this month, I can't cash out until the end of next month. So but once I'm on that monthly, then it's all caught up and we're all on the same page. But any videos I've made in the past, I don't get off of the views I already got, but I get paid off of the views that I am getting today off of the old videos. I hope that makes sense. Let's click OK. At the bottom it says your balance. It takes at least 3 days to process updates. Check back later for your updated balance. We'll click the 3 dots on the top right of this one, and then it shows you TikTok Creator Fund Agreement, and you can click on that, but we're not going to go through all of that. What I do want to click on is support. Let's click on support, and the question, it has frequently asked questions. It says right there, my funds. Click on my funds. How are my funds calculated? That's the question that everybody wants to know. Inquiring minds, how you paying me? I want to know how am I getting my money? That's what everybody want to know, right? So let's click on that. To be eligible for review from the Creator Fund, your account should be in good standing, post original content, and once admitted, you should continue to meet all the eligibility requirements during the time you're part of the program. There are also a number of factors that influence how funds are calculated for videos under the program. For example, this includes region for a view. So if someone's watching my video in Africa or Australia or Canada, all of that matters, all of that factors. Now, I don't know if they're going to choose that United States weighs more than Africa, or because it's out of my country, African views might weigh more, Australian views might weigh more, and I might get paid more. I don't know. And then video engagement. You know what that means? That means me talking back and commenting back on you guys' comments. So for those people out there who are not engaging back when people say first, second, third, fourth, you know, they're not going to get as much money, you know. So when I see comments like that, I'm like, hey, thanks for being first. Hey, thanks for being second. Hey, what's up? How was your day? You know, so you're getting paid for your amount determines on how much video engagement you have also. Authenticity of a view. Is it a legit view? Is it someone else who's viewing my account, or am I sitting there watching my own videos? As well as adhering to community guidelines and terms of service. Your calculated revenue is therefore dynamic and based on several factors as a portion of the total creator fund. Guys, there is so much opportunity in this right now. I do plan on creating a video when I get my first deposit. Basically, not my first deposit, but once I see some money in the account. Now, I've went live on TikTok a number of times. I've cashed out about 3 or 4 times. So it's almost the same thing. Your PayPal or your bank account does have to be linked already. Before you apply to the TikTok Creator Fund, they tell you to already have an account linked up. That way you can get automatically accepted. My son has an account. He's not 18. He's not 18. He doesn't have an account already linked up. And then something else. So his has like 4 or 5 check marks. And like 2 of them are checked off, but the other 3 are not. So you want to have all your ducks in the row that way. Kind of like YouTube, where you don't have to wait. You get your 1,000 subscribers, you get your 4,000 watch hours, and then you apply to get monetized on YouTube, but then they tell you you have to sign up for AdSense, and then you have to wait about a week for AdSense to come back, or 3 or 4 days. So TikTok is telling you right now, don't wait. Do all this ahead of time, so when you apply, boom, you're either accepted, or they tell you you're not accepted, but you can apply again in 30 days. That is one of the things that they will tell you. You're not accepted, but try again in 30 days, or if you meet one of these requirements, or all these requirements in 30 days, you can try again. So hey guys, quick, short, I'm gonna come back at you with another video. Let me know if you've applied for the TikTok Creator Fund. Let me know if there's money already in your account. You know, how many followers do you have? You know, will you be applying? Are you waiting to see what monies is coming into my account before you apply? Is that going to determine whether you're going to apply or not? So hey guys, I'm excited. This is going to be some huge stuff that's happening this year and next year, especially during this quarantine. Stay at home, you know, 6 feet social distancing, COVID-19. Everyone's at home. Everyone's consuming content. So what better to do with your time than to make content and get paid doing it? All right, guys, if you haven't already, hit that like button, share this video with someone who can use it, benefit from it, who needs this information, and subscribe to the channel. That way, when I drop videos like this, you're the first to see it. Also, turn on post notifications so you never miss a video. All right, guys, I'll see you soon.